let's talk about pages 25 through 28 in Math Pace 1091. And that's using our compass and straight edge to make a line that is perpendicular. Now, if it's perpendicular, it's exactly 90 degrees, okay? Now, first of all, I want to talk about a perpendicular bisector. So I want to take this line segment and cut it exactly in half and find the midpoint of this line segment. So I'm going to take my compass and spread it a little bit past the middle and sweep an arc. Come over here, keeping the same tip and the same distance, and sweep an arc here that intersects top and bottom. Okay? Now, what's interesting is if I take a straight edge and connect this point down here and this point up here above it, two things happen. First of all, this forms a 90-degree angle, so this is a right angle, and this line segment here now is exactly the same as this line segment. It's been bisected, cut exactly in half by this line segment that I've drawn. Okay? Let's do one more of a different type. This is on the next section. And again, it's illustrated for you on page 27, I think it is. If I want to make a right angle right where that point is, how do I do that? Okay, let me show you. I'm going to put the the metal point here, sweep an arc on this side, come over here, keeping the same distance, sweep an arc right there. Okay, so these two intersection points are exactly the same distance away from this point. Then I'm going to go back and use this point, but have this be further away than that dot, and sweep an arc above and below. Come over here, keeping the same distance now. Whoops. Sweep an arc above and below. And then when I connect these points here, and I think I bumped something a little bit, I'm just a tad off, but this should be a 90-degree angle and go right through that point, and it will go through these points as well. So with your handy-dandy compass and keeping those points exactly the right distance apart, you should be able to recreate this and take any line and draw a perpendicular through a given point.